What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be talking about the LG Stylo 6, the release date, and also the specifications. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, so this was leaked by Evan Blast, so I just have to give a shout out to him for leaking that. Also, I have to give credit to Phone Arena for putting out this article. If you guys want to go ahead and read the full article for yourself, you guys can go ahead and read that and follow along. But basically, the LG Stylo 6 was leaked, and I'm really excited about this device just because the LG Stylo 5 wasn't a great successor to the Stylo 4. It still was pretty popular, but I feel they could have done better with the specifications. But I'm really excited that they're coming out with the 6. Now, as you guys see the photo on screen right there, that is the photo of a Boost Mobile ad. So they're basically talking about the Stylo 6 in the LG K51 on this slip. We do have some specifications. We're gonna go into those right now. And tell me what you guys think of the specifications. I'm really interested. Now, starting off, it says robust display and performance, experience with your favorite websites or movies. This is going to be a 6.8 inch screen with a full HD display. This is also gonna retain the 2200 by 1080p pixel count. So we're gonna be jumping from 6.2 to 6.8 because the Stylo was 6.2 inches. So this is going to be quite a big phone. As you guys see, there is kind of a big notch, and we still have some thick bezels on this device. We also have fast charge capability, and we have a triple camera setup. So we have a 13 megapixel and two 5 megapixel cameras, which is pretty cool. We have wide angle, and we have a depth lens with an AI camera. So that's nice that they kept that. Also, we have portrait mode, we have a stylus pen, and as far as the memory goes, we have 64 gigabytes of internal storage, 3 gigabytes of RAM. I believe that is what we had last year on the Stylo 5, if I'm not mistaken. Also, there are shared features between the LG K51 and the LG Stylo 6. So there's artificial intelligence, there is DTS:X 3D surround sound audio, one of my favorite features on LG devices, a dedicated Google Assistant key, and an all-day battery life. So we have a 4,000 milliamp battery on both of these devices. Now, as far as the price goes, I'm not 100% sure on that. Hopefully they keep it under 300, and hopefully they have some really good deals with Metro, Cricket, and Boost Mobile. They tend to have pretty great deals most of the time on these devices. And this is probably going to be released, as far as the history goes, with Stylo devices being dropped between June and July. So you guys can probably expect it in between June and July to drop. So I'm really excited about this. Again, I definitely want to know what you guys think about the specifications. So put that in the comments down below. Definitely a ton more content coming on the Stylo 6, and we're going to go ahead and pick it up as soon as possible and bang out some content for you guys. But yeah, hopefully you guys have a good rest of your day. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.